Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're unboxing the YSL Small Flap Wallet in both the black and a light beige color. Now I have had my eye on the YSL leather items for a very long time, and I actually found both of these for a sale price. I think it was a fluke on the Neiman Marcus website, so I'm not going to brag about it, but I did get them at a little bit of a discount. Now, they did come with all of the box and papers and a cute little dust bag individually packaged, although they were kind of in like very different condition and they showed different prices. So I was very confused by these two items. Now, first up, we're going to take a look at the black flap wallet. And this one came in a smaller bag. Again, I really think this is just a strange quality control thing. So I don't know how these are going to show up if you're going to get one that, just closely fits the black wallets, or if it's going to be larger like the one that the tan wallet came in. So keep that in mind and do chime in below if you had some different experiences. Now, I mentioned on the thumbnail that there are awesome pockets here, and I was not joking. So my favorite part of these wallets are the pockets. I think small leather goods are so important to have in your wallet or in your tote bag, whatever purse you're carrying around. But if they have pockets, they are even more valuable. Now, just a quick note, this tag did say $425, and perhaps this is why it was marked down. I do believe these are $550, so just keep that in mind. Now, along the back of the wallet, you have 2 card slots or pockets, and along the front, you have another 2. On the back, you also have a gold stamped Saint Laurent Paris. So in case that is important to you, it does have all of the bells and whistles. And then on the back of the wallet, you have yet another pocket. Now, this is a really big pocket and a really convenient one. Like if you're not going to open up your wallet, or if you have like a note that you're saving on the outside, it's really a good one to have. Now, the one thing I did notice is that the wallet wasn't exactly even. Like it was a little bit deformed, and you'll see I'm trying to like straighten it out a little bit. It didn't bother me too terribly much because I do think that the leather will relax as I use it. But let me know if that would bother you, or if you've seen that on other YSL pieces. I'm not really sure why it would be warped, maybe the way it was stored, but it was stored in the box, I imagine. So I'm not really sure. Now I'm just showing you the card vertically so that you can see some sort of orientation and understand like how much can actually fit in these pockets. Awesome. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at the tan wallet. Now I mentioned that this one also came with all of the box and papers and dust bag, and even the style number, which I think is really unique nowadays. I don't think a lot of brands keep these additional tags. They feel a little, dare I say, retro. So Saint Laurent doesn't, I guess, cut any corners in that regard. Now, this bag was a little bit bigger, ever so slightly, but I could tell the difference. And then looking at the beige wallet itself, I felt like the leather was a little bit softer. Now, I also didn't feel like there was any warping on this one, so I don't know if it's the material specifically in the black one that was a little stiffer, but again, let me know if you have the same experience in the comments below. Now, I do think that I like the beige one a little bit better than the black one. The black one was a little shinier, a little bit more pebbled, but the beige one kind of just looked a little bit more, I want to say, subtle. Kind of like the quiet luxury trends that are going on lately. And I know black is black, and orange is the new black, but black is really the new black. So, do with that what you will. But I really liked this one because I thought it kind of disappeared. Now, I'm just showing you here, like when you dangle this card case, you could make this a crossbody if you just put a chain in there. I personally would not be doing that. But let me know if that is something that you do. It is bigger than a typical card case, so it might be something that's, works out for you. Now, here are the 2 wallets side by side. Let me know which one you like better, or if you have one of these, if you use it, if you like it, how it's held up, all of the good stuff. So let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.